Hello guys, so if you're looking to earn money on Temu, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly open the application. Now, what you will do is just simply go to the search panel and search for credit giveaway. Just simply search for that. Now you will come to this particular page over here. And every day you will have 3 draws. So, use the 3 draws one by one. So as you can see, I just got $0.2 credit balance in my account. Again, you have still 2 chances, so use that. So now as you can see, I've drawn my complete limit, which is 3 tries. Now if you want more chances, what you can do is just simply click on share, and then just simply copy the link or use WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, whatever you may have as a social media, and share it to your friends. Now when your friends will download the application and register it, or just simply download it from Play Store, App Store, wherever, you will get an extra point to spin. Now if you send to multiple people and multiple people joins through your link, you will get multiple points which you can use to draw more rounds. So this was the first method. Now I'm going to show you a second method. So for doing that, just simply go back to the main menu and search for redeem code. Just simply search that. So now just simply click on start if it's first time for you. Now what you have to do is just simply click on spin over here and you will get a point. So as you can see, I just got, so now what you have to do is simply click on spin and you will get points. So over here what you need is 8,000 points. So when you will earn 8,000 points, you can go in redeem option over here and you can redeem $100. Now if you run out of spins, again the same process, just simply refer to any of your friends through any social media, and when they will download the application, you will get a spin, as you can see right over here. Now if multiple friends join, you will get multiple spins. So just simply keep on spinning, and when 8,000 points are collected, you can redeem that for $100. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.